The last date is the 15th this month, when everybody should have returned their forms. So, thank you very much. But as I said, I hope you heard me when I hope you heard me. You heard me when I was flagging off the presidential candidates here. We are here not as individuals. We are here as a party. We are here as a party. We are not here to fight each other. We are here to support each other. But very well knowing that only in every constituency we shall eventually have only one member contesting as a UPC candidate. I don't want to say, go and try your luck. Get your nominators. Let them nominate you. Return the papers here. We shall come and conduct primaries where there are more than one candidate vying for a position. When we finish conducting those primaries, I want to tell you, don't be a member of UPC because you are contesting. And after you have contested, if you fail, you say, I'm no longer a member of UPC. Please be a member of UPC, whether in the parliament or outside parliament, and support UPC to achieve what it wants to achieve for this country. There is a lot UPC can do for this country when we are together. I cannot, the president cannot, the treasurer cannot, the secretary general cannot do anything as an individual to impress this country. But together, we can do a lot to impress this country and take it to the next level of development. So, I don't want to waste a lot of your time, because your job is to pick the form from here, go and fill it. When you fill it, you return it with all the requirements. There is nothing I will require from you when you are picking the form. But when you are returning it here, that is when we shall have the nomination fees will come with the form when you are returning it.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.